at the farm. Today we'll be talking about 5 YouTubers that we truly enjoy and follow, and they will teach you everything you need to know about hydroponics. The first person I recommend for you to follow is Everest Fernandez. He has very educational videos about the more depths and the more technical parts of hydroponics, and he does break down his videos into 10 minutes, so it's very easy to follow and learn. The second YouTuber I would recommend for you guys to follow is Epic Gardening, and his name is Kevin Espiritu. We have already featured him before. He has an Instagram account also, but he is teaching about hydroponics and the setup, and he has very educational videos. Third YouTuber I recommend for you guys to follow is Jeb Gardener. He is doing all his videos in his own hydroponic garden, and he's very entertaining, and he does have some dramatic music in the background. He also teaches of how to grow even radishes. The fourth YouTuber is Mike Gardener, and he covers a variety of topics, especially organic and hydroponic farming. And he is a really good teacher for beginners. He will teach you everything from how to start seedling, how to build your own hydroponic system, and how to mix your own nutrition. The fifth YouTuber is Mike Vendusi with Keep On Growing, and he is also really good for new beginners in hydroponics. He will give you DIY tutorials in hydroponics, and also how to use and repurpose household items into hydroponics. These were my 5 favorite YouTubers. Make sure to go ahead and follow them, and also make sure to go ahead and follow us on YouTube. And thank you for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you next week.